Snow fall on the window, lights are glowing bright, fireplace is dancing, everything feels right. Got my cocoa steaming, stockings on the wall, but the only gift I need is you here through it all. Every jingle bell is ringing in my heart, every carol says we shouldn't be apart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas to you, from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas to you. Let's make this feeling last the whole year through. Mistletoe is hanging, daring us to try. Your laugh is the only present underneath my sky. We don't need the North Pole, don't need the reindeer flight, just your hand in mine beneath the colored lights. Every jingle bell is ringing in my heart, every carol says we shouldn't be apart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas to you, from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas to you. Let's make this feeling last the whole year through. When the ball drops in Times Square and the world sings Auld Lang Syne, I'll still be right here whispering this one line. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas to you. Louder now, come on and sing it too. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas to you. This love's the greatest gift and baby it's all for you. So happy Christmas to you. Yeah, happy Christmas to you. I wanna wish you a very Merry Christmas.